Hey there, savvy shoppers. Today, we're diving into how to apply for the Amazon Prime Visa card, a fantastic way to earn rewards on your everyday purchases while enjoying exclusive Prime perks. If you're an Amazon enthusiast, this card could be your new best friend. Let's get started. First off, why should you consider this card? It's packed with benefits like 5% back on Amazon.com purchases, 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and 1% on everything else. Plus, if you're a Prime member, you get all that with no annual fee. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Before you apply, make sure you meet the basic eligibility requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, a U.S. resident, and have a good credit score, typically 700 or higher for the best chances. Don't worry if you're not sure about your credit. You can check it for free on sites like Credit Karma. Now, onto the application process. Head over to the Chase website, since they issue the Amazon Prime Visa card. Look for the Amazon Prime Visa page. It's usually easy to find by searching Amazon Prime Visa on chase.com. Once you're there, click on the Apply Now button. You'll be asked to fill out a form with your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Be honest and accurate to avoid any delays. After that, you'll need to review and submit your application. Chase will do a quick credit check, and you might get an instant decision, or it could take a few days. If approved, you'll receive your card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Remember, applying for credit can affect your credit score, so only do this if you're serious about using the card responsibly. One quick tip. If you're not a Prime member yet, sign up before applying because the card is tied to your Prime account for those awesome rewards. And always read the fine print on interest rates and fees to make sure it fits your spending habits. There you have it. Applying for the Amazon Prime Visa card is straightforward and can supercharge your shopping experience. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Happy shopping, everyone.